Good morning. Right, let's go to the presentation. So this is the today call which we are going to give Godavari and then Godavari Power and then HPCL. So before that, just by saying like yesterday you would have made money in this one, we'll just show you how what we said, and then some people who are understands these charts, they would have made money, but some budding traders or so it will be difficult for them to understand. So we'll just show you with one example. So how easy it, and we are telling that there will be a 5 minutes time or else less than 2 to 5 minutes time. So let me show you with this example. Okay, so in this three we can select anything. You can check it for yourself with the other 2 or 3 things. So the point is we want to make a short video such that people who are very busy, so it will be useful for them. At the same time, high quality information we want to transfer to you with high intensity, which is useful for you. So here it was a call, right? So what did we say? Like to buy it here, buy it in the lower Bollinger Band, and then you have 5 minutes on your side. So what we're telling, are we speaking nonsense, and are we bluffing? So do your own research. Then this is what it is. Okay, so from here it is where it is starting the pattern for this August 2nd. Okay, so you see here, so it has hit the lower Bollinger Band here. You start buying here, so you make an opportunity like 5309, and then you have made a profit here 5336, almost kind of 1%, or else you take it. We were discussing 0.2%, upward of 0.2% to 1%, right? So you are making the money. It's not that I'm selling right now, it's going to be right. You just see here. Okay, so again it does, you are in loss here. Okay, so you bought here, you are waiting with your loss, but you have a stop loss of somewhere you expect around 0.5%. You wait for the 0.5% if you are a day trader. And if you have enough capital, try to do a day trading and take it into an SIP mode. See here, from here you will be going and making money here. Okay, so don't try, these are all positive stocks, so don't try to make by selling here and buying here. Okay, so the trick is trying to choose the one which you have to choose on the buy side, and then which you have to choose on the sell side. Okay, so with this quickly we will move on to other things. So before, like, we'll tell you the story of this one, what's the call today, and what's the one day my story we want to tell you, we'll tell you. And then the next 25 year story also we'll speak for the even the traders who have to invest consistently. Okay, so this is Godavari Power. It's a good company within the power sector. They have decent margin, and yeah, so if you want to do it for 10, 20, 25, yeah, you can look into it. It is a well managed company. Debt size is manageable as of now, and these are all kind of small companies. Certain things can quickly change. Okay, so if you are going to trust us, yeah, so you have to touch base with that at least 1 year once. Like certain things on at least 1 year basis, we have to update, and we will update it. So as of now, today for next 1 year looks good, or next 25 years looks, but at least every year we have to review it. Okay, so either you review it or else you can touch bases. And HPCL, everyone knows it's Hindustan Petroleum, but the fundamentals here in financial terms is not good. The certain amount of debt is there in this company, and it's a government of India managed company. So those are all the government of India. So that's a positive side. Certain times government of India company will not grow as much as you expect. So that is a negative side. And then on a government or private, it's a high debt company. So that's a negative side. So I'm not recommending this for the next 20, 30, 40 years, but on a monthly basis, there are a few newses on this so that you can make money on intraday basis. If you do the patterns like buying here, like maybe you can do this for next 1 or 2 days also, but if you are at like holding capacity, if you are in loss, you can take it, or else follow the day trader thing, like you can cut your losses with the requirement based losses, where if you're expecting half a percentage or 1%, have your stop losses at 1%. Okay, so that's how you have to do the intraday business. So please be very careful. So please read this line that investing is very easy. Why? I don't know why people struggle doing the day trading. Okay, so even the day traders, they have to tried to do in multiple ways such that they are on the better position to harvest the whatever the market is offering them. So with this, we'll tell you some numbers. Please make a note of it for the options traders with respect to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so how is the trend on a day basis? Yeah, it looks excellent. Okay, so nothing big happened yesterday, so it looks excellent at this like this. Okay, but yesterday itself we told it may come down. It did come down, then it did picked up. So and it was upward trajectory. So what are we speaking? So yeah, so here the 1 hour bands here. So it is like this. Okay, so but the monthly basis the trend is still negative. So where is the support resistance for today? So and then we'll just cut here and then we'll just show with us what's happening today actually. So what is the SGX Nifty saying? So it's a positive opening 0.34. We cannot say like flattish. Less than 20 you can say 0.02 you can say flattish. So it's positive. So but we have to wait and watch the 9:30 times and then the 10:30 times how it behaves, and of course the 1:30 very important. So the Nifty option buyers, yeah. So you can think about shorting when these levels comes. So please note the numbers: 17,410, 17,450. Okay, so these levels you can short. You can try shorting the call options. So where do you start buying the call options? So yeah, so, start buying the call option somewhere when, if at all it comes somewhere around 17,200, like 20-30 points you keep the buffer, which means 17,230, something like that. Okay, so that's how you play the day on a day basis today. So we'll just quickly tell of the Bank Nifty. So the similar story on day pattern, no wasting time. So just go to the numbers straightly. So where is the resistance? Okay, let's take the Bollinger Band as a resistance here. So 38174, 38174, I repeat. So 38,200 you can short if you want. When these levels it comes there, the call options you can short here, and then you can start buying the put options also there. So and these levels will be very useful. Which time frame? 10:30 and 1:30. Okay, so that you keep it in mind. So the buy side option buyers, so if at all it comes to 37,600 or 37,550, start buying it. The call side people and then the put side people, please try to short it there. Okay, so this is about the numbers here. So the Godavari story is told, and the most important thing, the disclaimer thing. So and then again ETFs, I may speak like we may speak, or else anybody may speak any number of stocks, but try to have 10, 20, 30% in ETFs. And why ETFs? Please watch the last week one day match things which we are told, which is the pre-market reports. Okay, that pre-market report will be useful for you for next 20, 30 years. Okay, so these are the products very important for us, but classically you can please have a look, and very important for both of us. Please have a deep look at it. Thank you very much.